This is the MantisPod Z from PGYTECH. It's the younger brother of the original MantisPod and the MantisPod 2.0. Now the MantisPod Z is different from the other MantisPods in that it's marketed more for action cameras, compact cameras, smartphones, and small mirrorless cameras. Now it comes with two mounts. One for action cameras, so it's got like the GoPro finger mount things, you know what I'm talking about. And one with a plate that has a 1/4-20 on it, so you can attach it to other, more universal things. The MantisPod Z can be used in 5 different modes. First is the handheld mode where everything's folded in. Then you have the extension mode, which is basically like a long selfie stick. Then there's the tripod mode where you can use it like a desktop tripod, and it's even nicer that you can actually extend it too, so if you need it a little bit higher, you got it. Now of course it wouldn't be the MantisPod if it didn't have a Mantis mode. And finally there's briefcase mode where you can carry your camera underslung to get those low angle shots. Now the MantisPod Z is made out of plastic and it feels nowhere as premium as like the MantisPod Pro, and I wouldn't expect it to be, especially since it's like 1/3 of the price of the MantisPod Pro. But that being said, it still feels like a nice quality product in my hand. PGYTECH says this is safe to use underwater. I can't swim, so I can't really show that to you, so let's see what else I can do. Yeah, it works great underwater. Now it uses PGYTECH's CapLock system, so you can easily attach a camera onto it and switch it out if you need to. Or unless you're me and you can't do this, well, hold on. Take 2. It uses PGYTECH's CapLock system, so you can easily attach cameras to it and detach it just as fast. The CapLock system doesn't work on Arca Swiss plates or anything like that, so if you wanted to use it on something like that, you would have to attach a plate to it still. According to PGYTECH, the MantisPod Z has a weight capacity of 1 kilogram, and in extension mode they suggest a weight capacity at 500 grams, so it's good for light mirrorless setups. I want to test this, but my lightest setup is this. It's the Sony A7R III with a 24 1.4mm GM. Now the total weight of this, the A7R III, is 657 grams and the lens is 445 grams, so that comes out to this. Which is more than 1 kilogram, I'm pretty sure. But let's go ahead and put it on the MantisPod Z and test it out. So it works perfectly fine in handheld mode, which I assumed it would. But in extension mode, oh man, this is really sketch. It seems to be working alright. Alright, so it's still able to hold it. I wouldn't suggest doing this, definitely not. Don't blame me if you're trying this out, no. Yeah, I definitely don't suggest doing this, but it can hold it apparently, but this is definitely over the 500 grams that they suggest. Alright, let's go ahead and save my camera now. So yeah, the MantisPod Z is a neat little addition to the MantisPod family, and I'm glad I picked this up. Now, I want to go see what else I can hang this on. See ya.